This man dumb as hell. I'm pretty sure these folks on YouTube done already got used to background noises from you. Just trying on the wheels. You don't know what?
What 1.1?
Oh, dumbass. To test drive it, make sure everything is good. Come on, Boots.
I know you like Chevy, man. It's all right.
There he like Chevy. He low key like Chevy. .28 full turn. You see that? Well, just hit a little hard. Still got full turn though. Mother, right when I said full turn. That clean pickle juice right there. Y'all got a key to the front gate? You got a key to you got the front? I mean, I'm talking about the front door. I mean the front door. You got it? Somebody got to walk around. Alright. He would run in the water, but he ain't got no choice. See y'all in a minute.
Yeah, that been flipping that good with that song here, boy.
What's going on, YouTube? We back on the purple sick rageous. Yeah, that's what I'm calling my new color, man, because it's somewhat of an outrageous look, but it's better than outrageous, so we calling it sick rageous. But yeah, this is the front bumper that we putting on the sick rageous purple Camaro, and this is the back bumper. It's just factory. It's nothing special about that bumper, but definitely the front bumper is an upgrade. It's the ZL1 front bumper. So what we're going to do now is get it out the plastic, get it prepped up so we can get it shot, and then move to putting it on the car. So, all right, YouTube. Once we get it prepped up and get it in the booth, start back recording. So, see y'all in the next clip. Everything's done. Come in tomorrow and untape it. All right, see y'all tomorrow. What's going on, YouTube? It's the next day, and we finna get this stuff out the booth so we can keep it moving. Today is the day we gonna spray the Camaro, so we gotta get all of this out the booth so we can spray the Camaro. So. See what we got here. Hey man, y'all bear with me, man. I ain't good with one hand like my guy Sprayway. He can paint a whole car with one hand and recording while recording. I can't do it. Y'all see how hard I got. I'm having just to untape with one hand. Man, he the one hand king. He do everything with one hand. Block, sand, prime, paint. Man, I don't see how you do it, Spray. Alright, now this is gonna be the hard part. This is gonna be the ugly part right here, trying to tape. Alright, man, it's gonna be raw and uncut. I ain't gonna edit nothing out. I'm gonna see how it come out. Whew. We all finna find out together how it come out, how my prepper did. Come on, man. Okay. All right. Oh, come on, you bastard. Damn, my boy did that. You can't get no better than that. But hold on, we ain't through yet. Ah, come on. Oh man, it's being a bitch. All right. Man, this is taking a whole lot longer. Ah, done. Looks good. Line's good, straight. Looks good. Well, all right, YouTube. That took a little longer than I wanted to. So, I'm gonna go ahead and untape the rest of these, get them out the booth, and probably gonna start putting some of this stuff on the car. Definitely not the mirrors right now, because we got to finish cutting buffing, but probably the front and back bumpers and the faces. And this is a little tear pack that I did for my buddy with the ghosted Memphis Street Hogs. Name it AMC. So he should be picking this thing up later on today after I cut and buff it. So, all right, YouTube, let me get the untaping this stuff, and we'll see y'all in the next clip. What's going on, YouTube? We back on the Sick Rages Camaro on the 28th. We done got a lot done between the last clip and now, but I know you guys been wondering, like, damn, where B been? What's been going on? Honestly, I've been working my butt off all this year, and I took Thanksgiving, Christmas break to spend some much needed time with my kids. So on top of that, spending time with my kids, I was getting a lot of stuff situated for my personal projects and my personal build. So, cause I rarely have time off. I work damn near 7 days a week. So I really only get but one day off if I decide to take off on a Sunday. Sometimes Saturday and Sunday, but 9 times out of 10, I'm working 7 days a week. So it was some much needed family time with my kids. And that's the reason why I haven't been posting, because I haven't been recording in the last couple of weeks, because I've been spending time with my family. Now, with that being said, between the last clip and to this clip, we done got a lot done on the Camaro, but a lot has also changed and been added to the Camaro. So we actually on the standstill with the Camaro as of right now. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around, show you guys what we done, and give you guys an update of what we're about to do. And then we're gonna end this episode 2 and pick up in episode 3 with the added work, the added features, and the added whatever you wanna call it that he's done to the car, that he wants to get done to the car. So, all right, YouTube, switch you guys around, give you a walk around, and I'll let you know what's coming in part 3. All right, as you guys can see, we got the wheels on, got the faces on, got the side mirror on, we got the back bumper on, tail lights on, we got the spoiler on, we got this side ready, buff. We just got one more side to get done, which is right here. And then we'll be through with the buffing. Now, the customer added, it's got dust on it, so forgive the dust. But the customer then added a purple hair convertible top. He's added some interior pieces to his seats. He's added sound system as far as 212s. He wants the custom box wrap. Oh man, TVs in the dashboard. I think we already said we was doing that, but mainly the main thing he's added is the subs, the sound system, doing some interior, getting the top done, and yeah. So what we waiting on now is the top was a 4 to 6 week order, because it's got to be ordered. It's going to be already stitched. So that's pretty much the main thing we're waiting on. The audio will be here next week, and we're going to start on that. We already got him a Pioneer double DIN unit with built-in navigation. That's already here. The speakers for the doors are already here. The TVs for the doors is already here, which, as you can see, that's what we're working on. But we're also going to be painting the centerpiece of the door panels, and we're going to be painting the gray trim that's around here. So all of that's going to get painted, and we're going to be doing that and we're going to be doing that and getting that painted Monday. And as soon as that's get ready to go back in, that's when we're going to install the radio, install the speakers, put the door panels and the TVs on. So in episode 3, what you guys will see is the sound system, the seats, getting the purple. I think we're going to add a purple suede, a purple vinyl with the purple stitching. I can't remember, but I got it wrote down. And the purple top. And then more than likely, we'll probably be ending the episode in episode 3, ending this build in episode 3, because I'm going to put everything in episode 3 and not prolong it any longer, because it's got to get out of here and it's got to go home. So, with that being said, all right, YouTube, see you guys on episode 3 when we get ready to wrap this thing up and get it back to the owner so we can make room for more bills that's coming in for 2021. So, all right, subscribe and see what I do next. What's up, YouTube? Hey, before we end this video, I need you guys to do me one little favor, man. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video.